Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share your project files on CapCut PC. So if you go to menu and select back to homepage, create a space or join a space, and then select the space. For instance, this one, my friend's on the space. So if you want to add more people join the space, select this button and copy the invitation link, and they can come to the space here and they can see all the projects you did. If you've already created a project and it's not in your space, just like upload project here, select the project that you want to upload. For instance, this one, select upload, and it's going to then upload. Here it's loading, as you can see, but then your friend can download the project later on, and they can also edit on the file. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!